Is my dog in pain or just getting old? Did you know that dogs go through several distinct periods of aging? Puppy, mature, senior, and geriatric. The mature period generally starts from the midpoint in a dog's life. Dogs are considered senior at 75 to 80% of their total life expectancy. Senior dogs tend to sleep more and play and run less. Because senior dogs tend to be less active, they often need fewer calories and might eat less. This can be normal for older dogs and should not necessarily be assumed to be due to pain. Some dogs may only show subtle signs of pain. Therefore, pet parents should pay attention to possible indicators of discomfort. There are physical signs of pain, such as the tail being held between the legs, a hunched posture, the ears being pinned back, a stiff walk, and loss of appetite. A few obvious signs of discomfort include licking at joints, favouring a leg, and reluctance to be touched. Dogs in pain can also show behavioural signs, such as lack of interest in walking and playing, not greeting the owner when they come home, searching for quiet, warm areas, reluctance to go upstairs or get onto the furniture or jump in and out of the car, adopting unusual postures, lying on one side but not on the other, restlessness and frequent changes of position. Visit your veterinary surgeon if your dog is showing any physical signs of pain or changes in normal behaviour.